Hitting 100,000 miles on your car used to be the end of the road. But today? It's just the warm-up. With the right care, modern cars can easily cross 200,000, or even 300,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. That's like driving around the Earth 12 times. But it doesn't happen by accident. If you want your car to last forever and save you thousands of dollars in the process, here are the non-negotiable rules you need to follow. Rule 1. The oil change myth. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Everyone knows they need to change it, but high-mileage drivers do it differently. Don't just blindly follow the every 10,000 miles rule that manufacturers put in the manual just to lower their advertised cost of ownership. If you want to hit 300k, change your synthetic oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles max. And never skimp on the oil filter. A cheap filter degrades quickly, letting dirt circulate right back into your engine, causing microscopic wear that adds up over the years. Rule 2. The lifetime fluids lie. Beware of lifetime fluids. If a manufacturer claims your transmission fluid or coolant lasts a lifetime, what they actually mean is the lifetime of the warranty, usually around 100,000 miles. Transmission fluid shears down and loses its viscosity over time. To protect those complex gears, flush or change your transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. The same goes for your coolant and brake fluid. Clean fluids prevent internal rust, corrosion, and catastrophic component failures. Rule 3. The secret to suspension and rubber. It's not just the engine that dies, sometimes, the car falls apart around it. Rubber components age, dry out, and crack. Keep a close eye on your serpentine belt, radiator hoses, and suspension bushings. If a belt snaps on the highway, your engine can overheat in seconds, warping the cylinder head. Also, if you live in an area with snow and salt, washing the undercarriage of your car regularly is mandatory. Rust is the only car disease that has no cure. Once it takes over the frame, your 300k dream is dead. Rule 4. Drive like a human, not a racer. Your driving habits dictate your car's lifespan. Aggressive acceleration, slamming on the brakes, and cold starting your car and immediately pinning the throttle puts immense stress on mechanical parts. Give your car 30 seconds to warm up in the morning so the oil can completely circulate. Drive smoothly. Highway miles are incredibly easy on a vehicle compared to stop-and-go city traffic. If you treat your car with respect, it will reward you with ultimate reliability. Rule 5. Fix the small stuff immediately. Never ignore the small stuff. That weird rattle? That tiny oil drip on the driveway? That check engine light you've been ignoring for 3 months? Small problems lead to massive chain reactions. A faulty oxygen sensor can ruin your catalytic converter. A worn-out wheel bearing can damage your axle. High-mileage cars survive because their owners fix minor issues before they turn into bank-breaking disasters. Listen to your car, it always tells you when something is wrong. Getting a car to 300,000 miles isn't magic, it's just discipline. It's cheaper to maintain a good car than to buy a new one with a 72-month loan. Treat your machine right, and it will take you to the moon and back. How many miles do you have on your current ride? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Car Clues for more automotive secrets. See you in the next one.